I'm going to discuss the topic about what are the best ways to save the money because we are earning the money, but we don't know how to save the money or where we will put the money because everyone because in a young age we are earning more money but we cannot save. So what we are doing in after that above 50 years we are struggling the life. So what are so I am suggesting some ways to save the money, then it will be small drops, one drops will become a big one. So I know few ways to save the money, so here I am explaining and I am ordering that ways. So what are the ways to save the money? So first, today as in a 2020 here we have more problems in public sector and in a lot of places. So here I am suggesting one of the best ways to save the money in gold. So buying the gold today is a best way to earn the money because other all the sectors today up and down, but in gold it is rising the money only. So first I am suggesting the best way, investing the money to gold. Buy the gold, this is the first way I am suggesting. Then second way is what I am suggesting, um, bond. Buy the bond because government providing some of the bonds, and they are giving that minimum percentage amount. So it is a fixed also, it will be not come that less than uh, not less money. So what I'm suggesting, the second way, save the money to bonds, buy the bonds. That is the second way I am telling. And the third one, nowadays in 2020, coronaviruses and all the problems are coming in that a few years. But what I'm, if you are going that 5 years or 10 years or 15 years, you will get more money because I'm suggesting the third way is stock market. Nowadays it is difficult to understand that, but if you are put that money in stock market in a good product, definitely you will be grow it because today it is less than amount in a product, but if you are keeping in 5 years or 10 years or 15 years, definitely it will be grow that whatever you are putting the money. So in my suggestion, you will be put the money in a better product and best product, definitely you will be get that higher interest rate with high amount, you will be get that return value. So that is the third one. So further you can think about that post office because different kinds of schemes and plans are there. So you can just think about with better persons, and you can negotiate or consult with some higher peoples like that chartered account or whoever involving that schemes. So you can ask further updates from that those kind of persons like that post office or fixed deposit and mutual funds. So lot of in a village side they will put the amount in chit. So that chit also, monthly some amount we will put it, definitely it will be get that high amount only. So these are the ways are available, so you can choose which one is the best uh, product or scheme. So based on you can do it. Yeah, thank you.